Hello friends, today we have number system problem number 2. In this problem, we are going to find largest prime factor of the given question. This type of questions are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, Railway Exam, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. If n equal to 3 raised to the power 14 plus 3 raised to the power 13 minus 12, then what is the biggest prime factor of n? Four options are given: 11, 13, 79, 73. So, for solving this, we have n equal to 3 raised to the power 14 plus 3 raised to the power 13 minus 12. So this is equal to 3 raised to the power 13 common. Now 3 plus 1 minus 12. So this is equal to 3 raised to the power 13 into 4 minus 12. Or we can write 3 raised to the power 12 into 12 minus 12. 1 3 take it out, 3 into 4 equal to 12. So this is 3 raised to the power 12 into 12 minus 12. And now this is equal to 12 into 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1. Now we will treat 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1 as a square minus b square. So we have 3 raised to the power 6 minus 1 into 3 raised to the power 6 plus 1. And this is equal to 12 into 728 into 730. This is equal to 12 is 3 into 4 into 728. We can write 728 as 13 into 7 into 4 into 2 into 730. We can write 73 into 10. So we can say that therefore greatest prime number is greatest prime factor. Greatest prime factor is which one? The greatest prime factor is 73. So 73 is the greatest prime factor and this is our answer. So our answer is B. C, 73. So 73 is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.